Thank you for joining us on the news updates on Enyimba TV. I am Mary Ihejirika. The leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, has said no court in Nigeria has the jurisdiction to try him. Kanu said this yesterday during the court proceedings at the resumed hearing, where he is standing trial on account of 9 charges leveled against him. At the trial, white counsel to Kanu, Mr. Aloy Ejimako, was appealing to the court to suspend the trial on the basis that his client was denied the opportunity to prepare his defense. Kanu sprang up visibly angry from his dock and ordered him to sit down, adding that he has lost interest in the court giving him fair hearing and demanded the judge to recuse herself, saying the impartiality of the judge is in question, therefore he has no confidence in her. Mr. Kanu said the charges were alleged to have been committed in London, United Kingdom, and therefore the trial should happen in London. In her defense, the trial judge recused herself, adding that she would send Kanu's case file back to the chief judge for it to be reassigned. Kanu, on the other hand, said having waited for 4 years, an extra year won't hurt him when asked if he would be patient to wait for the reassignment. Please join us for more updates in our subsequent bulletins. Meanwhile, don't forget to subscribe to this channel on YouTube. Click on the notification bell to receive alerts when new videos are uploaded. Thank you for watching, and on behalf of the production team, I am Mary Ihejirika. Enjoy the rest of your day.